which is skirted toolboxes, and this one's the SK Deluxe. It's got the taller toolboxes up front behind the cab. This is a well-built truck bed. It's got all the bells and whistles that the SKs usually have on it. It's got the new style SK handle for the boxes and the gasket all the way around. And you got a rub rail, stake pockets, DOT LED lights all the way around, including the bullet lights in the corners and so forth. It's a well-built bed, good looking. Let's take a look underneath. You've got the big frame, and then you've got your gooseneck hitch up underneath there. Look at the size of that. Look at the beef on that rear hitch. Well, these are top-rated hitches, and I believe that's 18,500 pound hitch in the back, and that's 30,000 for the gooseneck up there. It should say the rating here. Nope, doesn't have the rating on there. So there is your SK Deluxe truck bed. Contact us out here at Rondo Trailer and we can get you one. If it's not in stock, we can order you one. We get a lot of truck beds, so let us know what you need. We probably have it.